So Beth took out a bunch of weeds out of our front garden here, and she cut down a couple of trees, small trees that we had in our this front garden, and now I'm going to pull out the stumps. So yeah, this is going to be fun. Here we go. This ground is like clay. Yeah, this is going to be more of a task than I thought. Well, back to work.
Two hours later.
So Beth's home now and she's tilling. Say hi, Beth.
Hi.
And she's tilling the front there, part of where she weeded the other day. And I got the axe out, so I'm going to start chopping at some of the bottom part of this root. That's why I'm wearing my safety glasses now. Safety first, right? Okay, here we go.
Holy wow.
Oh, this is it. I mean, it's not the biggest, but it sure gave me some heck of a fight. And I pretty much got that whole thing. We're ready to fill it in and
Plant something new.
plant something new. And we still have 2 more to go, but they're not going to be too bad. So until next time, yeah, I'm out of breath. So what of it? Take care, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
And hit the ringy dingy.
That's right, hit the ringy dingy. We love you guys. See you next time.